Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today it's just going to be a quick cook. It's just going to be a pork loin sandwich. I hope you watched my rotisserie pork loin video. It was the one with the review of the meat stick, but the back part of it is the rotisserie pork loin, and it was amazing. So what I did was shaved it thin, as I'll show you here.
Okay, all you want to do is get it cut nice and thin. I think I'm going to adjust that down a little bit. Make it a little bit thinner. That's right. Oh, perfect. That's how I want it right there. All right, let's just speed this up for you so you don't have to watch me slice this whole little piece of pork loin. And we will see you outside.
Okay, for these sandwiches, we're going to have some Swiss cheese, some mayonnaise, some smoked jalapeno salt that I made, our buns with mayonnaise on them. We're going to toast those, and our shaved, sliced thin pork loin from the rotisserie pork. Okay, that's the ingredients. I cut those rolls in half. I put mayonnaise on them. You can do butter, you can do mayonnaise, or you can leave them plain. The buns will toast on the Blackstone. They take a little bit longer if you do put butter or mayonnaise on them, so let's get this going. Okay, I like to kind of press on the tops a little bit when these are cooking, just so they cook all the way through or into the center. Give a quick peek. Not yet. Okay, we'll let these toast up. Okay, let's take a look. Look at that. And when you put mayonnaise on your buns, a little bit longer to crisp up or brown up. I'm going to set these over here to the side. All right, let's get that pork going. Go ahead and set it there on where the mayonnaise was. Just heating it up, it's already cooked. Kind of got them separated already into sandwich size. How many pieces will go on each one? And for 3 of the sandwiches, we're going to put my smoked jalapeno salt on them. Stuff is so good. Turn my flames off. Meat is plenty warm. The buns are a little bigger than I thought, so we will spread these out a little bit. Add the Swiss cheese. And I think that'll fit one way or the other. Put our cheese melt. And we'll build them. That's the one without the jalapeno salt. With. Wow! Okay, there you go. A nice, quick, roasted pork loin sandwich. Since I had a little left over, we made these sandwiches with the Swiss cheese and the smoked jalapeno salt. Wow. So good. All right. There you go. Quick and easy lunch. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.